Hi everyone, and welcome back for part 2 of my Erin Condren unboxing, which technically yesterday's video turned into a planner tote review because I was super excited about getting that. But anyway, the rest of the contents in the second Erin Condren box, I had gotten these for being part of an EC Insider. It's like 3 sticker sheets. And then I had purchased the plan and stencil, which I've been wanting to get this for some time now. Right there. And then I got the removable cover with the stripes with my name on it. I got 3 of these stylish sticker storage dividers. I got the large Erin Condren Folio. Now, you guys, I got the large because I wanted something to put my Chromebook in, which is 11.6 inches. And let me tell you, this holds my Chromebook, and I still have some room. Because it said it was only 10.5, I think. But my Chromebook is the newer one, the Asus brand, and it's the flip. Like you can make it, you could fold it to where it's just the screen and not the keyboard, if you know what I mean. But this fits in here and there's still some room on either side. And I can get my planner in here also. This has, I believe I chose the gold hardware and the gold zipper. So that is the large planner folio. You have to check large in order to get this size. Compared to the medium, I do have a medium. This is very dirty. I said in many videos, I'm hard on things. Look at the difference, you guys. Wow. I didn't even realize that's a big difference. I didn't realize how big this folio was, but it's perfect for my planner and my Chromebook. So that's the difference. I'm going to do this side because it's so dirty. And I had just the silver hardware with this one. And this one has the beautiful gold hardware and the gold accents. It has slots for your pens. And I also have the Focus Planner line folio. That is a small folio though too. But this has lots of pockets. You definitely need to check this out if you haven't already. It has a zipper pocket in here. It's got a pocket here. It's got card slots. It has a large deep pocket. It's got a small pocket and then the big large zipper pocket and the pen loop. This is part of the Focus Planner collection. This is super cute. And I think this comes in medium also. This isn't large, this is medium. I apologize about that because I think it's small and then medium. But look at the big size difference, you guys. Okay, so I am in love with these. I already have 2 of them. This is all my Wild Summer designs. And then you can stick them like on a bookshelf. I actually got 4 packs of dividers. Altogether, I got 4 of these boxes. These stylish sticker storage boxes, they're called. And I got 6 packs of dividers between my 2 different orders. I like organizing my stickers so much more with these stylish storage boxes. I think they look really pretty and they come in different designs. I have mine technically per shop. Like I said, I got 4 of these, but if you want to sort them by shop and then category, I would get more dividers. But it also depends on how many, like I'm a big sticker kit person, except for the Coffee Monster Co. I love her doodles. So this is already filled from Wild Summer Designs. And then I got, don't ask me why, 4 of these planner boxes. They look super cute up on a shelf with your planner inside them, if you know what I mean. I have 2 cubes filled with just old Erin Condrens. So I got 2 of the kaleidoscopes and 2 of the neutrals. 4 packs of dividers, once again. I'm going to go over this really quick. 2 stylish storage sticker containers and the medium folio, which is big enough to hold an 11-inch Chromebook. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates from me. If you like my content, give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. I will list all these in the description box also below. Have a great Saturday, everybody.